guys, welcome back. It's your girl Estelle and I hope you're all doing well. So guys, today I'm going to share with you a new recipe of mine. It's a very simple and common recipe. It's called Bissap juice. Yes, Bissap juice. It's also called Zobo drink or Zobo drink or Hibiscus tea. Yes, guys. Mes copines, aujourd'hui, on va faire du jus de bissap. Le jus de bissap, on le fera pour toute la famille. Yeah! So guys, the juice I will be making, the quantity would be enough for the whole family. And trust me, you're gonna love this. The recipes are simple and as always, your girl Estelle will always make it easy for you. So without further ado, let's begin. So for the ingredients I'm going to use today, as you guys know, the main ingredients is going to be our bissap. I am using a dry bissap in this recipe. And this is how it looks. And next I'll be using other ingredients along to make the bissap. And here are the ingredients. 1 tablespoon of black peppercorn, about 10 saline peppers, 1 tablespoon of whole cloves, 4 dried chili pepper, 1 cup of brown sugar, and finally we also going to add some honey. Yes, honey. Trust me guys, this is going to be the ultimate bissap juice for everyone. The next ingredients I would be using are ginger, and as you can see, I've chopped them in 2 different sizes. Some are smaller and some are chunkier. So the chunkier ones is going to be used to boil with the bissap. And next I'm going to use a full pineapple which I have cut up, and the parts I will be using are the core, which I have cut up into pieces, and the pineapple skin, which I have removed as you can see, but I've still left some in. I'm also going to use some of the pineapple, not the full pineapple, just half of it, as I am trying to maintain the flavor of the bissap. I am also using some fresh mint, which will help give the bissap juice a nice fresh taste. Alors, c'est parti mes copines. And there we go guys. To get started, we are going to quickly give some rinse to the bissap, but make sure you use some cold water, not hot water. And once rinsed it, transfer it to your cooking pan and set it aside for later. So next we are going to transfer our dried ingredients into a small net or just a small bag and then tie it up. Now in this part, most people will grind their ingredients in order to get more of the flavor out of those ingredients. Most of these ingredients have got some heat, and the idea of today's recipe is to make it for everyone. That means I'm making the juice for adults as well as for kids, and some of the heat may result to most of the kids not being able to drink, and apart from that, some adults do not really like much heat in their food or drink. So what we are going to do here is to put all the dry ingredients into that wee bag. We are not going to grind it. We're going to put it in the bag, and then it's gonna go along with the bissap for boiling. That way we are getting the flavor, not the spice or the heat. So guys, next we are going to now add our pineapple pieces and then some of the ginger, but only add the chunky ginger that I mentioned to you earlier on and leave the small cut ones as we are going to use later. Then add and our tight dried ingredient along with some water into the bissap and give it a stir. After stirring it, cover it. Then you are ready to start cooking. The cooking process of this will take maximum of 20 to 30 minutes to allow all the ingredients to soak in and blend well. Next, it's time to check our bissap, and it should be now cooked by now. Give it a stir. Then remove some of the pineapple core and the ginger. And guess what, guys? We are not going to throw anything out. We are going to use the boiled pineapple core and the ginger to blend with the fresh ginger we left behind and the fresh pineapple. Then, after removing all the pineapple pieces out and your ginger, add in the sugar and your honey. Yes. In this part, most people would wait to add their sugar or any sweetener into their bissap when everything is done. I like to add mine during the process, as that helps the sugar to get diluted faster, plus will make everything well blended. So after adding the sugar and your honey, give it a good stir, followed by adding your mint. And at this point, your fire should be turned off before you add the mint, and cover it and let it completely cool down. Right, next guys, we are going to now blend our pineapple core with the pineapple we left earlier on and the fresh ginger. So transfer everything into your blender, then add a bit of water and give it a good blend. After blending it, transfer it back to your serve using a spoon to squeeze all the juice out. And once it's done, set it aside for later. Next, our bissap should now be cooled down. Transfer it to your serve. Then repeat the same thing by using a spoon to press your juice out of the bissap and set it aside for later. Okay guys, so it's time to combine our two juices. So add some ice into one of the bowl, then pour both together and give it a good stir. Take a look guys, how dark and rich this juice looks. Very healthy, and that I guarantee you, your family will love this. Yes, yes. Mes copines, ça, ce jus-là, je vous assure que toute la famille va aimer. So now that everything has been combined and stirred well, we are now going to transfer it to a jar and you are ready to start serving. Alright guys, this brings the end to our today's video. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a try. If you like what I've done, you like the recipe, give it a try and let me know in the comment section below how it turns out. And also don't forget to give the video a like, comment, share with your families and friends. And also if you are new to my channel and if this is your first time watching my video, thank you so much for tuning up. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share with your families and friends. Until then guys, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.